Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing WayV's 2022 Season's Greetings. They have a pilot theme this year, so I'm really excited. Before I start, here are the pre-order benefits I received from Aladin. They are holographic, and you get one of each member. So pretty. The card is actually like kind of defected, which is a bummer. It just seems to be his too. It's like bent. Luckily, I don't actually plan on collecting Season's Greetings pre-order benefits for WinWin this time around, so it doesn't bother me too much. Oh wow. WayV Airlines. Here are the... Whoa! This is so pretty. So I think they took these pictures while WinWin and Ten were both in China, so I think most of these photos are probably edited together, but I actually kind of like the way this looks. Very nice. They look really good in the uniform. Now we have A4s. Oh my gosh, their pictures on their little badges are their takeoff photos. That is so pretty. I love that. No group A4. Stickers. He is so cute. I think for the SMCU merch, there's a photo card for WinWin where he's poking his cheeks. I can't wait to get that. Here is the planner slash agenda slash diary, I guess. Oh, this is cute. I guess 10 was still in Korea when they shot this. It just seems like WinWin is the only one kind of edited in. We have the month layout. Oh wow, I actually really like this layout. I think this is my favorite one out of the ones I've unboxed. I like that there's like a checklist section, and then the way that the days of the week are laid out are really nice. Here's some more photos. I actually didn't see any photos in the middle of 127 or Dreams, so I actually might have missed them. Here's another one. They're just kind of like between each month, I think. Pretty. And then there should be 10 here. Here we have the mini brochure. I really like this cover. How cute. The desk calendar. I will show you the photos first, and then I'll show you one of the month layouts. 10 looks so good with his short hair. He really rocks it. Here is the monthly layout. The postcard set. How cute. I love that they always have photos of Win-Win upside down. Cute. Last item in the box, we have these like ID things. Here we have a passport, which I think is like a little just notebook with photos of them in it. Cute. I like the stamps. And then here are the ID photos, which honestly I'm kind of disappointed about because everybody else got a set of selfies somehow. So they could have at least made these photos of them selfies. Then here we have a boarding pass, which is actually just one. But yeah, I'm actually pretty disappointed by WayV Season's greeting this year. I think the least they could have done is give us a selfie set. Now we will never get selfies of them in these outfits. Actually, we probably will because they'll probably sell as merch. So there's that. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and I'll see you in the next video.